So recently guys, I get a lot of negative comments about me, including na mga bullying, no, and including death threats, no, especially this, no, Zeke, what can we do for you to die? Wag naman sana aabot sa patayan guys, kasi nagko-content lang yung tao dito.
Waiter ka 'di ba sa restaurant, idol? Nag-a-accept ka ba ng tip? Idol, hindi talaga kami nag-a-accept ng tip, idol. Pati yung security guard namin hindi nag-a-accept ng tip kasi baka pag in-accept namin yung mga tip, mananakawan kami. Anong gagawin?
Zeke, what is free will? In English, free will stands for libreng gulong. Okay? But in plural form, it is enjoyment. It is happy. It is add with a letter S. It is Ferris wheels. Zik, anong meaning ng TSM? Guys, kung nahihirapan ka na sa buhay, kailangan mo lang talaga yung TSM.